Instrument calibration ADL-D100, ADL-DU110. 1-point calibration. Dynamic sensor type D. We turn on the device. The main screen displays the currently selected scale, as well as all current measurements and the average hardness value. In the work we take a measure of hardness with a nominal value of 64 units on the Rockwell scale, on which we measure. We bring the sensor into working position and by pressing the button we carry out the measurement. The instrument displays the hardness readings. When measuring, it is necessary to rearrange the sensor in order not to fall into the places of previous measurements. It is noticeable on the device screen that statistical processing has made calculations and eliminated too high and low deviations relative to other points. These points do not participate in the average calculation and are not visible in the minimum and maximum readings. Note that the statistical processing is called the standard deviation, SKO. We make several measurements. As a result, we see that the measurements are correct. Let's look at an example and suppose that it is necessary to make an individual calibration based on the Rockwell scale. This can easily be done with the single-point calibration function. We go into the calibration, select one point and enter the password for access. Next, select the scale on the basis of which we will do the calibration and enter a new name for this calibration. Press OK, and the name of the calibration is saved. The 1T in parentheses indicates that this is a one-point calibration. We make several measurements. The device calculates the average value and performs statistical processing. Press OK and enter the hardness indicated on the measure of hardness. As an example, enter the value of 65 units on the Rockwell scale. We return to the measurement menu. We select the created scale, which is in custom, and take measurements. As a result of measurements, the device shows a very similar result with the value that was entered for the example.